Hey everyone, welcome to Workeloo. Today we're diving deep into creating your complete company profile using Workeloo's comprehensive dashboard. This step-by-step walkthrough will cover every single field in the company creation form, ensuring your business is set up perfectly from day one. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, this tutorial will help you showcase your company professionally within the Workeloo ecosystem. Let's get your business up and running. To access the company creation dashboard, look at the right side of Workeloo's homepage. You'll see a prominent Create Company section or button positioned clearly on the right-hand side of the screen. This dashboard panel is designed for easy access and immediate setup. Click on this section to open the comprehensive company registration form where you'll input all your business details. Now let's walk through each field systematically. First, upload your company logo. Choose a high-resolution PNG or JPG file that represents your brand professionally. Your logo will appear across the platform, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. Next, enter your company name. This should be your official business name exactly as it appears on legal documents. For example, Simple Sphere Technologies. Input your primary email address. This becomes your main contact point within Workeloo. Use a professional email like admin@simplesphere.in rather than personal email addresses. Add your phone number including country code. For U.S. numbers, format it as +1 555 123 4567. This helps with international compatibility and professional communication. Select your company size from the drop-down menu. Options typically include 1 to 10 employees, 11 to 50, 51 to 200, 201, 1000, or 1000 plus employees. This helps Workeloo customize features for your scale. Enter your establishment year, the year your company was founded, such as 2018 or 2020. This provides context about your business maturity. Craft your vision of company. This should be an inspiring statement about your future goals. For example, to become the leading provider of sustainable technology solutions that transform how businesses operate globally. Define your mission of company. Describe your current purpose and values. Example, we empower small businesses through innovative software solutions that streamline operations and drive growth while maintaining the highest standards of customer service. Fill in your complete address. Include street number, street name, and any suite or building information. Be specific. 123, Innovation Drive, Suite 456. Specify your city, the city where your headquarters or main office is located, such as San Francisco or New York. Select your state from the drop-down menu or enter it manually depending on the form design. Add your zip code, the postal code for your business address, ensuring accurate mail delivery and location services. Include your LinkedIn URL. Paste your company's LinkedIn page URL, such as linkedin.com/company/your-company-name. This enhances professional networking. Enter your Twitter URL. Add your company's Twitter handle URL like twitter.com/your-company-name for social media integration. Provide your Facebook URL. Include your business Facebook page URL for comprehensive social media presence. Finally, select your country from the drop-down menu to complete your location details and ensure proper localization of features. When filling out your company information, use consistent formatting across all fields. Keep your vision and mission statements concise but meaningful. Aim for 2 to 3 sentences each. Ensure all URLs are complete and functional before saving. Double-check your contact information for accuracy, as this will be used for important notifications. Use your official business address rather than personal addresses for credibility. If the form doesn't save properly, check that all required fields are completed and your internet connection is stable. Some users experience issues with logo uploads. Ensure your image is under 5 megabytes and in PNG or JPG format. If social media URLs show as invalid, verify they're complete with https://prefix. For international phone numbers, make sure you've included the correct country code. If drop-down menus aren't loading properly, refresh the page and try again. Contact support if you encounter persistent validation errors after double-checking all information. And there you have it. Your complete Workeloo company profile is now set up with every detail properly configured. Your business is ready to leverage all of Workeloo's powerful CRM and management features. If this comprehensive walkthrough helped you get your company set up successfully, please hit that like button and subscribe for more detailed Workeloo tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions about any specific field or need help with your setup. Thanks for watching. and welcome to the Workeloo business community.